Etiefo me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so ensem bi akoso Prophet Nigel Gazy wasanso amankom hye na amaga nafo kasa na eye bi mo se emse Prophet Nigel Gazy Kennedy Japan ebesua ensem ebeto ne so no ebia de wo ye no wo bejai etiefo obeso trese afianza ahye ne kena. Now, Prophet Nigel Gazy ababonti abehye nkom afa Ghanaian musician efeni Efia EFYA. Efia ne de Ghana ha se wo bonjom de trese Prophet Nigel Gazy ababehye nkom se ne awhye nkom efa eboni ho a eboni wu ye no. Sa nkom hye na trese wo si Efia de wo hu efa Efia ho no enye Efia anhwe ya wo bewu. Na nkom hye we a Prophet Nigel Gazy ehye ye no. Menyante ye se Efia ababonten abetutu biama Nigel Gazy, but me this story no ebebrem later. Yenkonko tie ensema Prophet Nigel Gazy wakan airport. Say washan kom ni we no. He has a discussion show. It's a discussion show no. Say Efia na wo boy no na Ghana for eye omo na kaka because he was sister Efia and your son so ewe Efia. Enti wa clarify and waka say oh Efia na ne mame eye greetings from abroad. Na uyo bi a woni Efia ya wonim say ne mame that time Ghana greetings from abroad. Efia ne mame no nti see Efia na ne mame ye greetings from abroad no or no. If MC friend Efia window said yen or see no or no na wo kan ne ho asem. Na o see asem a waka no ma enye Efia say or no Prophet Nigel Gazy agro na me Efia emfa asem no endi agro. E na enye say wo kan say Efia aba wo no Nigel Gazy na asori da bi. Was say idea we say fear names or sophobia and wonim any spiritual person bia won ko hu spiritual person no na yen friend so na idea esinse inhim a say efia anhwe ya wo be free yen konko tie the discussion and how Prophet Nigel Gazy said this na ye a the Ghana for so eka on this particular prophecy obviously nim say Ghana for beba bonten abekike bi ama Nigel Gazy but was say the Ghana for kan enya no na wo tie but yen ko tie ni niambra ye go tie ba Ghana for ensem a wo nso atoto amano se emre wo ho a efia nso nsem a wo de aba no me de no nso beka ho ana se emre enimu a ye be ne se the next story a ye be no ye be kasa ensem a efia ono nso watoto ama Prophet Nigel Gazy because ensem bi say no eya na nkrofo kan anyway okay before I even me pese discussion no me ye na che se akwa se nkomo no enti ye nkotie Prophet Nigel Gazy ne nsem na ngasa na ankwanko yes me na make answer to ne so
Yaseki, you are watching. Is it a musician Yaseki? Yaseki or Yaseki? Is it the one who had accident? God bless you. Okay. Dagla, it's been a while. I'm starting restoration night on Friday. You got to come, and your fiancé for some time. You have to come. God bless you. Unjindia, bra. Say, will blow your mind off. Amen. So I say, and now you believe. If you're a believer, believe God and believe His works and believe the work of the prophets. God bless you. God bless you. Believe the works of the prophet. But Papa, today I went to the news portal. You were led to give a prophecy to one musician. News. Yes. New Oma Fekeda. Yeah, Oma Fekeda. Okay. News portal. But Papa, they don't know who that Efia is. Because one Efia. Your friend is saying, "Niamihu ya na ne mame first Mr. No something greeting from abroad. Greeting from abroad." Okay. Yeah. Okay. So near the EFYA. Ono na mi EYFA. Ono na mi hu ya. Nyami biye mani ono na mi hu ya. Okay. You see me hu ade am fa bi nka ho. Okay. Me bi nka. Because in come say bi nyami fa me social me bu hu akonta. Okay. I get what I'm saying. So that Efia a window. Yes, that is what I saw. Okay. That and you see me bati mama ke bin show. Okay. As I say, nipa etno wase say there is an unseen hand. Okay. That rules in the affairs of men. So no, the fact that I don't believe it does not mean that it will not work. And I always tell people that it's better to believe and live than to deny and die. Okay. I get what I'm saying? Yes, and I'm not saying that she should come to me. I don't follow them. Okay. The only person I follow sometimes is Stone Boy, because Stone Boy, I have a relationship with him.
Okay.
So I said, I don't know any of them. I don't follow them. I mean, I thank God for what they are doing. I believe in talent and gifts. I believe in young men and women trying to do well.
Okay.
But I was there this dawn, last dawn, and the Lord appeared to me, and I saw it like you are watching me on TV. And you see, don't joke with me. Don't joke with my prophecy. You can have your biases about me, but me who are there, say that says the Lord.
Okay.
All the don't joke. Into unko who differ. Obi beka say Prophet Nigel Esen commission because of a fame. If you don't know me, what is fame? So I'm on TV. I have my own TV
station
for
16 African countries.
16 African countries, which is 247.
Sure.
What again do I want? If I go to no, I don't need anything. Is it money? God has given me the little God has given me. I'm more than okay. And how much does she even have? How you get what I'm saying? So she should go and see a seer. She should go and see a man of God to cover her, and that's all.
Okay, maybe she's not a Christian. So
no, if she's not a Christian, that's the instruction the Lord gave me.
She must go and
yes,
see.
me who be do fidentry.
Okay.
And if they follow, I'm not saying somebody should even follow. I'm not interested. But nyamene me kasa say or your star. Me hu or your star so for nyame ma me hu so ekosoro na me hu no ma bebre a eye papa efi akola no but me hu enoma bebre a eye tete honhom
okay
eye tete honhom eye nkonwa honhom oh eye your TV so nti enoma be am person me go deep but that is all that I've said so right. She should go and see a seer. She should go and see a seer yem one pie man on fa yem nto no hwe nyame anim.
Okay, all right. So thanks so much. Yeah, that's so again on Papa my prophecy. Into more speculating. He has been specific. I just wanted him to clear. If you the need EFYA no, if you are owner prophecy about so if you want do it. If you don't want, you also don't want, do whatever you want to do. But the prophet of God has spoken, and thou seest the Lord. And the two animal don't come. You can go anywhere. And young can go and see any man of God. But if I were in your shoe, I will come and see the prophet that gave the prophecy. Yes, if I were to be in your shoe, I will not go. I'll come and see the prophet that gave the prophecy.
Some comes to the assistant Bebring.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And I Bebring. Now I'm expecting say me NDC for me show mo. What did I make? Me other way. Me show mo. Me more about 2 weeks. Me show mo.
NDC for me.
Yes, me show mo. I'm just looking at them.
Okay.
Yes, some come out. You did actually. NDC for no. Yes, some come out. Yeah, the way. You did actually. I'll not talk much.
Okay.
Me share idea keke. Sorti ase. Me share idea.
All right.
Nti unu men dis impen for na catch omo. Omu di agro.
All right.
Omu ye den.
Omu di agro. All right. So before we come to today's topic, Papa, the month August faithfulness. So what are some of the rewards of faithfulness?
Say nsem no de e wo say yetie ni na no na yate nsem a prophet Nigel Gaze waka na interesting o nsem bi say interesting papa because wo ene ye kafa ho a you'd actually not know what to do ube hu ne say asem a wo so for working ne kre ana say enye ne kre anyway, let's go into what Ghanaians are saying. The Ghana for Eka Afasa and Comshare Prophet Nigel Gaze or the Abba. Now, we read it through the commenter at him the DNO easy. But I'll try as much as possible to filter it because when him say, yeah, dear, yana at him the DNO, yana, so we'll try as much as possible to filter at him the DNO and Crawford Edebano. But right into the comments on this particular asem meaning say Nkrofo no comment mo say this guy is only 36 years but scamming and fraud makes him look like he's 45 years. This scamming work is actually stressful than having a real job. There's a will be can say Nigel Gaze no uhwe nima out to say we ni nanso we di 36 pe say wo bu Nkrofo no because obi a wo bu Nkrofo bia na ya na what drain the next thing, the next way to say will be boom crop. So some people believe say a fraud and scam and a Nigel Gaze warrior. But they say he said he doesn't follow musicians and he doesn't know Efia. How did he know that Efia's mother was doing greetings from abroad? And also the questioner will be Abisa. Obi also say, God, so can't we people in Ghana sue this man? After him saying this, he can go ahead and kill her. And also, Asema will be Eka. Obviously, Efia needs to seal this guy. He can kill her to prove a point. Inti Osha and Crawford can say Efia won't sue a year Nigel Gazy just because of this prophecy. Obviously say you killed that innocent girl, and only Asema will be can. Or say you killed this lady, it won't go well with you. The way we will come after you. So a lot of people are accusing Nigel Gazy say, "Wanumo and our person will come Efia into Efia and Konkos, you know." These are comments from Ghanaians. Was it Apu? Things fall apart. You talk too much. When are you taking Ama born again to court? Okay, or say Azan, he's targeting the stars who has money. Or say Honorable Ken will come after you again. Or say shame. Or say oh shame. You only see death. You don't see prospects. Hey Ghana for I know y'all. I say, isn't the guy asking a question a member and a worker at his church? How come? I say, why come and ask plant question which you both know the answers to? And also, will be go. I say, prophesy into my life, man of God. So far, I think say this is the only positive commenter. Abba and Bakoneka say, prophesy into my life, man of God. I say, hey, again, like seriously. I say the other guy works in his church. His assistant and an interpreter. I say again after that DH. Okay, inti way any zaman I say what maker are these men of God worshipping? A maker who tell them only death, mind games, and also any asemwa. Eba inti wo hwa Ghana for dodo na efre say Efia won sue Prophet Nigel Gazy. In my next post asemwa Efia aka after this particular in someone Nigel Gazy what they are babonte no me dey no so bebre but mo try mo comment box me for me that say